Our next question is to calculate minutes worked. Calculate the equivalent minutes value for the fractional part of the hours worked. This ensures a precise understanding of the time loop. Let's back to our Excel sheet. We have to fill our value in F7. So in F7 we will give is equal to we will extract minutes from by subtracting E7 E7 cell from C7 C7 minus E7. Now we have remaining number of hours. Now we have to convert into minutes. So we will multiply it with 60. So here we will get in decimal form. So we will round it off by using round, and we will give num digit as 0. Also we will convert this into int form. So we give int also. Here we get, we can double click to apply it for all sets, or you can say incomplete column. Here you can see